Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to correctly download Assetto Corsa on mobile. While the PC game Assetto Corsa is not available on mobile, a separate mobile exclusive version called Assetto Corsa Mobile was released for iOS devices in 2021. There is no official version for Android. For iOS, you can purchase and download the game from the App Store. Open the App Store on your device, search for Assetto Corsa Mobile. Then the game should appear in the search results. Tap the price button to begin the purchase and download. As for Android, there is no official Assetto Corsa Mobile available for Android. Any version claiming to be the game on Android App Store or other websites is unofficial and should be avoided to prevent malware or other security risks. Some important considerations. Assetto Corsa Mobile is not the same game as the one on PC and consoles. It was built from the ground up for mobile devices and has different features and content. Imitations. Be aware of unofficial versions or imitations from Android. Stick to official app stores and developers for all software downloads. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.